Hey, good morning, Scott. This is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. You'd inquired in on a pre-owned Tacoma yesterday, and I wanted to come out and just shoot you a quick video of one of the Tacomas that I think would suit what you're looking for. It is an SR5 model, two-wheel drive V6. It does have a nice tonneau cover on it already. This one's listed for $19,998. As you can see here, it's a 2012 with 47,000 miles. It's an access cab, so you do have access to the rear, and there are seats back there. So there's a door handle here. You just pull that open. Here are your rear seats. And there's storage compartments underneath the seat as well. I don't know if I could do this one-handed. There we go. Storage compartments underneath both seats. Now it is an access cab, so it's a little bit smaller than a double cab. Show you the steering. It's a really nice, clean truck. They took really great care of it. It's a non-smoker, automatic. So give me a call if you'd like to stop by and take a look at it. I'll kind of walk around the front here so you can see the front of the truck. So like I said, 2012 with 49,000 miles. Here at Toyota of Melbourne, we're located right in between on US 1 between 192 and the Ugali Causeway. My number here is 321-254-8888, extension 349. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I look forward to helping you out with your purchase.